The Fox and the Sour Grapes. It was a sunny day. A fox was walking across the fields. Soon he came across a vineyard. As he came nearer, he could see some bunches of juicy grapes. The fox looked around carefully. He had made sure that he was safe from the hunters. He decided to steal some grapes before anyone came along. He jumped upwards, but he couldn't reach the grapes. He jumped again, as high as he could. He still not reach them. The grapes were too high for him. He was not ready to give up. He backed up, took off again running, and leaped in the air. Still failed to reach the grapes. It was getting dark, and he was getting angry. His legs hurt with all that running and jumping. At last he stopped trying. As he walked away, he said to himself, "I don't really want those grapes. I'm sure they are too sour to eat." Moral of the story: sometimes when we cannot get what we want, we pretend that it is not worth having.